I had my stepfather, he brought us up, but obviously my mum got really, really ill, and she passed away when I was 13. So I was in charge then. I had to look after them and help him out as best I can, as well as go to school myself. I just couldn't focus in school at all, you know, grieving, looking after them, you know, because my younger sister was only 5, you know, so it was quite hard.
Tracey registered for an OU psychology openings course after an open day event the OU in Wales put on in the Windsor Clive Primary School in Ely, where her son is a pupil.
Well, I'm a volunteer for the school magazine, the Grand Avenue Times, and they put up a leaflet, and Aleri offered these 2 courses.
Our openings programme are a range of introductory courses to higher education, which gives students an introduction to a range of different subject areas.
Teresa, my tutor from psychology, and she guided me, and she took the fear out of everything, you know, because I was nervous. I spoke to Teresa and she was brilliant. She was there to support me.
I think her determination to improve her skills, to make a better life for herself and her son, is an inspiration to everyone, really.
He asks me if I'm studying in the night, and I says, oh yes love, I am, and he'll go and get all my books. He'll take them out the folder, he'll lay them all on the table for me. So we do it together, you know.
I very much would like to congratulate Tracey for her achievement to date and to wish her all the very best in her future learning journey. I'm sure she's going to achieve great things.
It's just a even bigger achievement for me, to be honest with you, as well as doing the first 2 courses with the OU, and to win this. It's just, I don't know, I just can't in words say how I feel. You know, I am just so happy